Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and hope you're having a great week so far. And welcome to this video on XRP, which just wanted to do a daily update. We got some big news yesterday, so we'll be talking about that, the implications of that, and both on the short term and the long term, because we have seen the short term implications. Which went against what I thought technically what would happen. I mean, as most of you know, my general idea on XRP is that after the bearish momentum we saw in the last 2 days or so, that XRP would continue falling down to at least 49 cents again, kind of confirming some sort of a consolidation right here, which was invalidated by the news. I mean, in general here, the SEC's motion to appeal is denied. So that is very bullish, of course, for XRP. Now, news is always stronger than technicals. That's what I wanted to say. So that invalidated the theory. But still, it's now the main question whether it has only delayed the move down to 49 cents or whether it has really prevented it. Because what could still happen, like XRP hasn't had the major bullish breakout it needs, which is above 54 cents. And you can also see that historically, like that's the main level to break. If that breaks, then XRP can rally up higher, but that's not the case yet. So we'll talk about whether that's a possibility and what will need to happen for that. But before we dive into that, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable, and my own trading guide. So if that sounds interesting, if you want to become a better and more profitable trader, check that out. But for now, let's get into XRP. So I first of all wanted to check out some numbers, some statistics to gain a better overview of what XRP is capable of. Because what you'll see now, and that's also interesting because the open interest has basically been growing for the last week, which is I would say that's quite unusual, like that it also grows throughout the weekend. So maybe there was already some sort of insider knowledge. I don't want to spread that word too much, but it's unusual. And now the volume is also very high. So it seems like there's a lot of momentum still in the price of XRP. Like the open interest is still growing, volume is still growing as well. Is that reflected by the price? Not necessarily, all right? Because if we look at the price, you can see that XRP actually rejected pretty heavily off of 54 cents, basically since yesterday evening. So the big question is will XRP be able to break out? And purely looking at the open interest and the volume, I would say yes. And I would say XRP is able to break above 54 cents and rally up to next resistance level between 56.5 and 57.5 cents, which is kind of the next technical level, also with the 0.5 fib. So that's what I would say purely based on if we're only looking at XRP. Now, the one thing that makes me doubt that a little bit though is that historically XRP is quite correlated with Bitcoin. Not necessarily over the last couple of days, but that was because of the news. And it looks like Bitcoin is going to drop down even more. It got a bearish breakout right here. Of course, it's possible that it will rally. It has been very, very strong over the last couple of days at least. So that's a possibility. But if Bitcoin right now drops down towards 27,000 again, or drops down towards 27,200 again even, then XRP is probably not going to be strong enough on its own, especially not after this news. I mean, this is the news, right? We're not going to get new news about this. So this is kind of the catalyst that has to give the momentum. And if it's not able to do that soon, or if it's being worked against by the bearish momentum from Bitcoin, then it's more likely that XRP will fall down below 52.5 cents. And if 52.5 cents breaks, we'll drop back down towards 51 cents and probably 49 cents afterwards, because that bearish breakout would confirm some sort of a consolidation again. So it's now really like purely based on XRP, I would say it's most likely to break above 54 cents and rally up higher. But based on the full picture, it might be a little bit more likely that 52.5 cents will break and that we'll see some bearish momentum, at least down to 51 cents again. And from there, we'll see again. I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, that's my full analysis on XRP. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.